Hello, class. It's Mr. Ng. I'm sorry I can't be there today. I wanted to take a few minutes to kind of go over how to do your observation. So today you're going to learn a few words well. Brownian motion, that's how the little water molecules are going to move around. The tyndall effect, that's when little particles of a suspension or a colloid scatters light. And then today you're going to make a quick little colloid. In this case, the colloid is going to be a cloud. So notice what I have here. I have around 50 mils of water, and I have around 200 mils of water. Some of you are going to be tempted to put ice in here. That's not necessary. It works just fine without the ice. And some of you are going to be tempted to make this boiling hot. That is definitely not necessary. In fact, that's kind of dangerous. So don't make it too hot. If you notice, my hot plate is set to no stir. In fact, if you do give it stir, it's not going to do anything. You don't have a stir rod. And then my heat, I'm going to set it up to just where it barely hits it, just so that I know it's on. I need this just nice and warm. It should be cooler than your morning coffee if you drink coffee. So I know that my water is already kind of warm. I do want to clean off the sides of my glass. Unfortunately, these things aren't super clean, so a lot of water vapor is kind of sticking to the sides. And that's all you need, aside from some smoke to nucleate that water. The smoke is going to gather a lot of the water vapor to make a cloud. I think the sub is just going to walk around, Mr. Whitrock. He's just going to walk around and do this for you. That way we don't have you with a bunch of matches today, right? So I'm going to light this match. I'm going to let it burn to the wood. The wood provides good smoke. All right, and I want all the smoke in here. That's not going to do a thing just yet. However, if I trap the water vapor in here, that smoke should be helping all that water nucleate. If we give it a few moments, we might see a cloud form. There you go. So it's not the best cloud just yet, but if you just give it some time, be patient, the cloud is going to keep collecting. And if you notice, the light goes right through the water because that's a solution, but it bounces around the little cloud particles because that's a colloid. It's a temporary colloid. Eventually, it'll settle out. And then notice it's moving around randomly. That's Brownian motion, and it's scattering the light. That's the Tyndall effect. Take your time with it because today you're going to learn with your senses. I want you to have a good, strong gut feeling about these words instead of having these words be kind of theoretical and from the book. When you're done, make sure you clean off all of the beakers, clean them off inside that lab room, put them up to dry, and then for these hot plates, make sure they're unplugged and neatly packed. One last thing, Miss Luvan might be asking for these hot plates because she's doing a little pH lab. They're gonna like make indicator from cabbage juice. So there might be like some of you might need to gather those up and give them to her. Hey, I'm gonna miss you guys, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thanks for watching.